Hello, good morning everybody. We just woke up. Right now we are here in the Our Lady of Good Success um, parish in Guihulngan City, Negros Oriental, and as a part of my story, I'll be sharing. Um, this was the uh, the church, the former church, rebuilt church, or I mean, like, how do I say it? Last 2012, Negros Oriental was struck by, was hit rather by a 7 point something plus magnitude earthquake. So a lot of those structures here were wrecked, I mean, like, were all ruined. So this was left the epitome of the, as you can see, what was left was this mark that was even donated by uh, Epifanio Arsenio. So this is just a makeshift church structure for the meantime. This was the previous chapel, then changed into an office right now. So this is where we live. This is way different from what we have uh, lived previously. The structure is wood, but then uh, we are really infested with termites and all of those stuff. So insects, mosquitoes. We only have one room. We occupy one room, but we're not occupying the level 2 of the house because the structure is not that good. So we opted to stay under because it's a bit colder, since our baby really likes to be in a cold place, to lessen the air conditioning system. um, when we came here, this was really ransacked. So um, there's no electricity. The wires were cut, so we have to put new wires for the electricity. We have to settle a lot of stuff, for example the pipe tubing for the water. Then even the bed, uh, the bed um, the bed was not really good, so we bought beds. We bought a king size bed only for 1,800. Before it's for sale for like 2,500. So my husband was able to bring down, like, he was able to got it on a special price for 1,800. So we are currently here in under the big mango tree. So this is our one of our shaded area. Then we have the bell tower. It houses two old brass bells, which is only here in this church. So it's a really amazing history. So there we have our utility worker, Ate Cherry. She's responsible for cleaning the parish. So that's a big large statue of Our Lady of Good Success. She's actually miraculous, so she was able to um, we were praying for her, for my babies. So I'll give you the facade of the church after the earthquake. So this is the facade. We tried to change the paint outside, so just, and then we will be changing as well the tarpaulin on top, we donated the tarpaulin, the image of the Our Lady of Good Success. So if you take a good look under the bed, we have a very good space here for parking. But then the sad part is that the gate is so small that it will only fit a small part of, like a small like the big ones, like for 4x4 trucks. This is my husband. Just came home from service. So yeah, this is our life. This how this goes. Then he rides that rosy blue. He talks Bisaya. That's how they are. Hi, Dad. So from here, so this is my morning. Every morning we go outside. We tend to do some chores as well. So if ever there are some comments, please feel free to write it under my channel. And then if you wanted to get to know me and to get to know our life, feel free to click the subscribe button. Thank you. Have a great one.